I know, right? What's up, my Patreon peeps? This is a special Saturday highlight video just for you guys, showing you the madness that's out here today. We've got 100 plus Camaros on the scene, and then people are trying to get in the parking lot. And you can see down 28, they're like all down through there, backed up. There's really not enough room in our parking lot for more than 40 cars. And across the street, good show over there. Their parking lot's pretty lined up with traffic as well. Looks like we've got a pretty strong Jeep presence in here somehow. Let's go up on the balcony up here where we get a better look down at everything. Can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, needless to say, the crowd has returned, especially on weekends. So middle of the day, on Saturday is always one to sort of come watch the show, but don't expect to get a whole lot of your own ride time in. It gets a little crazy, but usually by 6 p.m. this all dies off. It's like a ghost town. This is what we call a mountain traffic jam. 2-lane roads. All it takes is a couple of cars and it all gets jammed up. Yeah, here it is across the street. Crazy scene. So there you have it. You guys get a first look at the video, being my Patreon members, subscribers. I appreciate that, and we're going to keep pumping out stuff like this just for you guys first, and then we'll share it with the rest of the world later. So if you're not already on my patreon.com/killboy website, go check that out, sign up and support us, and you get early looks at stuff like this. Okay, thanks you guys. Do not climb on Dragon. What are you going to do? I appreciate it being busy, but I don't like for it to be to the point that it's frustrating. Can't control crowds.